Have you ever found something you really wanted from Japan but gave up because international shipping was just too expensive? Well, I recently discovered JP Fans, and I finally ordered some amazing Japanese items that I'll be unboxing very soon. What caught my attention is that JP Fans give access to exclusive and hard to find products from Japan, including collectibles, hobby items, anime merchandise, craft supplies, and so much more. Some of these items are difficult to find elsewhere, but the price can be surprisingly good too. One thing I really like is that JP Fans offers more affordable international shipping compared to many platforms. They even have a shipping cost calculator right on their website and app homepage, so you can estimate your shipping fees before ordering. That means no more guessing how much shipping will cost. Another great benefit is that they offer tax-free shipping channels for many countries, helping shoppers save even more. If you'd like to try JP Fans for yourself, you can enjoy these exclusive perks. $85 in sign-in coupons, 50% off your first Mercari Japan order, and 20% off shipping with my exclusive discount code AN20. So if you've been wanting to shop directly from Japan, now is the perfect time to try it. Here's my affiliate link and discount code, or you can find them in my bio and pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. My package is already on the way, and I can wait to show everything I ordered from Japan. So stay tuned for the full unboxing video.